GA with Experimental Girl's cooking class, starring yours truly. Say hey.
Hi, everyone.
Of course, UncleDans.com, where you want to go. And remember, $35 or more includes free shipping. Before we go any further, I just want to answer some of the critics. They said, hey, GA, your videos are too long. Can you make it quicker? You know, that's the first time I've ever been asked to be quicker. Typically, they say, could you make it last a little longer? Yeah, so what are we doing?
We're doing a little pop quiz today.
Pop quiz.
I'm going to see what you learned.
Okay.
Okay.
Is that this?
Under there are your ingredients.
Okay. Whoa.
Okay.
Okay. Uncle Dan's original Southern classic ranch. Remember, everybody makes ranch. Uncle Dan's just does it better. So what am I doing here? What am I looking at?
You tell me, what would we need to make ranch dressing?
Ranch dressing would be buttermilk and mayonnaise.
Correct.
Yeah. Bingo.
You got that one. But today, let's do the dip. See if you can do this.
Okay, the dip. So that would be sour cream, mayonnaise, and Uncle Dan's, I do believe. I guess I'm not going to be told I'm right or wrong until I get to the finish line. So this is the mayonnaise. A little sloppy, a little sloppy.
Go ahead.
This is the sour cream. Okay.
So far, so good.
So far, so good. Uncle Dan's. Look at that. Now, the key now, remember, is to sprinkle. Okay? Sprinkle Uncle Dan's. Sprinkle.
There you go. Yep. All over it. Makes it easier when you mix it to have it kind of distributed like that.
There we go. Sprinkle. Now,
put your spatula down. Pick up your whisk.
My whisk. The
whisk.
whisk.
It all mixed in.
Oh, baby.
Perfect.
That is one of my #1 skills. Okay. Oh, that
Sorry,
looks good.
I'm holding the camera here.
Look at that.
Ooh, perfect.
Yes.
Okay, now here's the real quiz part.
Okay.
That's perfect. We're going to dip whatever we want in there is delicious. Vegetables. Chips.
Yes, anything.
But what if we had French fries?
Oh.
And I wanted to have the Northwest fry dip.
Oh. This is my favorite part. Right?
No!
What?
You're going to make that much fry dip?
Oh, that's right. No. Oh, my God. Okay.
Sorry, I tried not to say anything. That's good.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm working on a C- here, okay? I hope you critics like this. Okay. There we go.
A little bit more.
A little bit more?
There you go.
There we go. Now.
Whip it till it's pink.
What? What? No wonder we're getting heckled. Oh my God.
Stop making me laugh. And there you have it, everyone.
It's pink. You heard it from the instructor. Okay.
Go ahead and grade them. Feel free to give them a grade on Facebook.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Give me a grade. This is Northwest Fry Dip.
Yep.
This is Uncle Dan's regular dip. All available. UncleDans.com. And let's see here. A couple of carrots.
Okay. And we're out.